How to check if your proposal was viewed by client on Upwork or not. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. First of all, you need to have Upwork app in your mobile phone. If you don't have, you can download it from Play Store, App Store. Once you open it, you need to log in. So simply click on Upwork. Here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see on downside jobs, proposal, contract, messages, alerts. So per proposal, I will simply click on proposals. Here you guys will see offers, invites, discussing, submitted. So how I can know my proposal was viewed by client or not? So for that I will simply click on submitted. Here I will see all the submitted proposal. Now here you guys can see with one proposal viewed by client. So if your proposal was viewed by client, it will say viewed by client. That's how you guys can check it. Thanks for watching.